I use Samarnath Smart Steps Tutor Channel. First of all, a request. Still, I'm infected with throat infection. In between, a lot of time you may see coughing. So please bear with it. And because of cough, my voice would be low. And you know very much that always my voice is low because of my condition is like that. And today the throat pain also added with it, so further voice will be quite low. But though voice is low, as you know, we are seeing very illustratively the entire report. So as it, because of its illustrative, if you couldn't be able to hear the voice also, you can what I like to communicate that will reach. So that is guaranteed. And in this currency report, I made a couple of changes, so that also I explained to you. So this video may be quite lengthy. So and the important thing modifications also I'll convey in this. So please watch it end to end, and please do subscribe and like. Now we'll go to the video. Money mantra. Earn money because in the end people do not see your health or they see your money. USDINR 82 rupees 97 paise. GBP 103 rupees 78 paise. Euro 89 rupees 5 paise. Yen 56 rupees 49 paise. Now we will see the currency charts. The chart I'll made a major changes. Many you know that I know. I mean, I'm running Tamil and English channels, so there are viewers and my friends also communicated that. As you said many times, the intraday opportunities in currency is very less. So need no need of intraday. I mean 5 minute chart analysis. So one chart is enough. So what that help is so positional trading would be very oft actually for the currency, because I don't know viewers needed both. I think that, so that's what since the beginning I given both it. But now keep on I'm getting the and come to know that everyone expecting positional only 1 hour chart. So here on we will see only hourly chart analysis only for positional trading only. So this is one of the one main change. The second change is as we know that currency is very less volatile compared to any other financial product like Nifty or any stocks or commodity whatever. So the full volatility for USDINR would be maximum 20 paise per day. And if you see the monthly the high and low, monthly high and low, if you see 1 rupee 50 paise. If it is JPY, monthly high and low will be only just 2 rupees average. And the euro on GPB, it is 3 to 4 rupees. So the volatility would be very less. So for that reason, the ADX is not much acceptable because the crossover frequently happens. So many people point out that also. So now on we will use MECD. It's not now on. Actually, I used to use both MECD and ADX for on all my chart. But because of video recording, the video is hosted most of the time in mobile. The screen size should be less. So that is the reason I am using only one indicator. So it is not that I'm changing the indicator. No, it's I'm using already. I keep on use MECD and ADX parallelly in all the charts. So now on we will show only a MECD based only, because that will be very clear uh, indication, because volatility is very less. That's the reason. So if you see here also, it's completely in the bullish, sorry, bearish zone. It is below zero line, so it is bearish zone. So it's sorry. So like that, it will be very simple. So euro is still in the downside only, but now it is consolidating here. So there are possibilities of direction changes. That I will tell you while talking about US dollar index. So if you see euro today close to close basis 19 paise negatively it is closed. And one more thing I like to inform that the third major point I come to communicate is about my positions. Usually, I won't like to show my positions. I won't like to talk about my positions, whether it is profit or whether it is loss. The reason is by saying the profit, no one should get induced or impulse. Or anybody, if you see the loss, they should not get panic. If you see just as scroll down, if you see the Nifty, so here is very big loss, but here is a big profit. So it is not for me; it is a hedging actually. But if upon seeing this, if people doesn't know this, they will some. If seeing this will be they will be get impulse when they induced. But seeing this, they will be scared. So that is the reason I never show my position. Usually I keep like this, but sometimes I forgot to close it. It may show. If you see that, no problem. But I won't talk about my positions until unless specifically I like to communicate anything about that. Otherwise, in general I won't talk about my positions. This is the second thing. And if you see, I took position on issue GPB options. You may think that this guy only doing options on Euro and GPB, but he talks about only USDINR. The reason I tell you while explaining about the USDINR while analyzing the option chain. Okay, now we will see GBPINR. So GBPINR previous close is 103.93. And close basis 42 paise negative. So yesterday it got a hope that okay it trying to come upside, but today again it has come down. So it's clearly I mean it never crossed the 50 EMA. So that itself an indication that it is in the um, downtrend only. And also MACD also both MACD signal in the below zero mean it is bearish zone only. So it is still in the bearish zone only. It's in the downtrend only. So don't add any position. If having already short position already, don't add any long position until you get confirmation. So this all about GPB. Now we will see JPY. JPY previous close 56.75. Close basis 8 rupees 8 sorry 8 paise negative, and it is consolidating here. So it is still in the downtrend only. But if you see the consolidation, it clearly see that both the signal and the MACD line are kissing each other, hugging each other. So it clearly confirms that it is directionless even in the downside only. So don't add any position. Don't take any long till you get confirmation on this. If you are already in short, hold it with the stop loss. So we'll see USDINR. Previous close 83.08 and 9 paise negatively it is closed. So it is like triangle you can see, and now it is in the bearish zone only and very close to 0.9. So until it breaks this either side, uh, we don't get confirmation on this. And if you may see yesterday, if you noticed my video, I would have taken used the NRP and did a profit booking of around 1,000 rupees. I regularly do USD in our call option depends on the direction. But Euro and GPB, even I think I like to do also. Sometime I won't get entry because the liquidity is very very less. You won't get fair price. In fair price you won't get the option, whether it is euro or whether it is GBP. And the premium also quite high compared to USD INR. And the entry also it is tough to get, and the exit also very tough to get. So, but I took today's see it is just 17 paisa, 170 rupees. That too only one lot I took. It's just a matter of taking coffee and masala vada with our friend. So we don't bother about that cost. So like that I treat this. If you see this, just going a movie cost even with zero also doesn't mind. So because of that reason I took this. Otherwise, very very tough to get content exit. I will explain that in the option chain analysis. So again, once again saying that don't expect me the position. I doesn't so usually position. I doesn't talk about my positions, whether it is profit or loss. So if it is profit, they will get impulsed with this. If it is like a loss, they will be get fear with this. So both things should not be happen. So that's the reason I never show or I never talk about my question until unless it is sometime it is necessary. So you too, please don't expect from me. Okay, now we will see USDINR option chain. Weekly option, and the RBI rate is 82.98. Say for 83. Now we will see this. So exactly here, if you see the call option, so it is in the most of the almost double of the, if you compare to this, double of the open interest or in money. Right, that doesn't like this, so they try to bring below this. If you see put option, it is out of the money. If it goes that, it will become in the money. That also rate doesn't like. So the point here is, with today's open interest, we cannot judge where the market ends on expiry. So this is current scenario. And the second point, please note carefully why I only showing USDINR. See the open interest. Put side 13 lakh, around 14 lakhs you can say, and call side 16 lakh. This is for weekly expiry. If you see the monthly expiry, see the open interest 20 lakhs, 24 lakhs. So the USDINR, the liquidity is very 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 huge liquidity. Easily you can enter and easily you can exit anytime as you wish. So that is the reason I most of the time I will do USDINR. Even I don't avoid to take a future. So I will go on USDINR option, that too in the money option I will go. So if I go to stake in the money option, it will be treated as almost like a feature kind attributes. So that is the reason I avoid the feature, and I'll take in the deep in the money, you can see in USDINR options. So now you got to know why I am saying USDINR only. I will show you the JPYINR. See the monthly option, only 1700 contracts, and here also 1700 contracts. Poor liquidity. So if you want to enter also, it's very tough. You see the price gap. See here. So very very tough to enter and very tough to exit also. Sometimes you will be in the profit, but uh, to exit it, you won't get right price. You won't get fair price. So you would be sell in the loss, but it will be actually in the profitable. So because of illiquid, you cannot exit. So that happens in euro and euro. So that's the reason I bear that risk and I will take. So if you see there is no weekly options are there, but there is no single contract. So that's the reason it's not showing here. And if you see GPB compared to euro, somewhat better. See weekly option, just the 600 contracts and puts in 300, 400 contracts. So here also very tough. See there is no bid and ask in the other monies. So that is the reason. So if you see the monthly 20,000, 29,000. But what about in the USDINR? 24 lakhs, 20 lakhs. But here 29,000, 20,000. So this also the premium would be compared to USDINR. The premium is very high. It also compared to euro, it's far better. So I know all this and I am ready to take the risk. That's why I got it. The reason I didn't show you is because of its variability. You should not get trapped in that. That is the reason I'm not showing other than USDINR. Just a moment. If you see JPY, no contracts in weekly, and if you see monthly, one contract in concept, 15 contract I would say. So what you so JPY is total washout. Euro something. So compared to Euro, GPB, it's okay. But the best and ultimate is Euro USDINR. So that is the reason I am only showing USDINR. So here on we will talk about only USDINR as usual in the coming videos. Now we'll see the US dollar. I am the boss. So it see both the DMA are in about 20. There is no direction. Though this candle is quite big, but there is no momentum. If you see the weekly, it also clearly shows that no momentum. So that's the reason I while telling about Euro and the GPP. Now the direction is not clear, direction is not confirmed. So wait while explaining this USDINR, that's what I said it. So this is all about US dollar index. So with this we wind up this video. And this is for learning purpose. Don't take any trading or investment decision based on this video. Always do your own study and analysis and take your own decision with the guidance of your SEBI registered officer. So because of my health issue, I couldn't be able to speak falsely. So and there are a lot of thing I needed to explain and announcement. So hence it was quite big video. So thanks for your patience and watching till now. Please do subscribe and like. Thank you. Bye bye.